Welcome back to the channel. We have some green in the market today. Boy, finally we get a break here, us Algorand holders. We've had this down sloping resistance here that we finally broke out of. So that's fantastic. We're up 5.22% on a day. And I want to go over a little bit of news, and then we'll jump into some price targets here and see what is going on in there. But last night the Feds shut down Signature Bank in New York. Cryptocurrency surged on Monday amid a broader rally in risk assets, even after regulators Sunday announced the closure of Signature Bank, the last major crypto bank in the U.S. So they were trying to shut it down before they went through what Silicon Valley went through. I don't know, really haven't seen much more on it, so I'll keep you updated on that. But the whole crypto market today, I'm going to put you on CoinMarketCap because look at some of these gains. 60% for Conflux. Synthetics is up 34. Makers up 28. Optimism's up 30. Some big gains in the market. There was only like 2 coins in the red, I believe, out of the top 100. So that's fantastic. And I believe a lot of this, I believe has to do with, a falling dollar. If we look at this, the DXY on the dollar, it just got rejected at this trend line. I want to zoom out and show you this thing because it's been riding this trend line for a long time. The whole way since, oops, I apologize. Let me get back here. The whole way since June of 21 is when this thing started. It topped out in October of 2022. Fell down through this. This was support, came back, and now it's retested it as resistance. We zoom in a little bit on this thing. I'll show you how it banged right off it. Look at that. I mean, fell down through it, came up, bam, and it's still falling. So it takes more dollars to buy, crypto, bread, milk, everything. Price has got to rise for everything, I guess. So, but let's get back into this chart here and see what's going on. We finally broke out of that sloping resistance that has been beating us down since, February 20th is when this line started. We finally got a breakout, and I want to show you because it did a nice back test here too. You can see that it's back tested that now as support, which that's what we wanted to see. We got the back test right here, and now we're working our way up. I believe this thing is, I can't see any reason. The daily RSI is just starting up on this thing, and you can see that down here at the bottom of, oops, let me get my little arrow around there, right down there. That RSI is reset. I can't see why this thing wouldn't go up to the 618 or 702 on the Fibonacci, and then we have some resistance up there. But if we put a fib on this thing, usually get at least a 50% retracement out of these things. The 618 is pretty familiar with crypto, golden pocket, and the 702, but that's where I'm expecting this thing to go. This isn't financial advice, by the way. I'm not a financial advisor. I just read the charts and give you my idea what I think is going to happen here. But we need some volume to come in this market. We have a little bit of green showing up down there, so we need a lot more than that to continue this rally. I'm going to zoom in here, but that's on the daily chart, so you can see the volume down here. That's all volume bars. We need some volume to come in now. I think maybe people see a rally start, and we need to go a few days without some bad news. I mean, I think that's really been beating the market down. I've seen outflows in crypto have hit an all-time high. Now, I don't know if that's people moving their coins onto their ledgers and nanos, or if it's people selling and getting out of the market, but it's not a good thing. But isn't that something? As soon as everybody does sell or get out of the market, then it pops. I think that's how it goes. But please subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Before I forget to ask that, I'm going to do a giveaway at the end of each month, and all you got to do to enter is be subscribed. I would very much appreciate that. And we'll check back on this later. I expect this thing will cool off here. I think let's look at the 4-hour. The 4-hour RSI is getting exhausted down here, so it might cool off for a little bit, consolidate, and But that's where I'm thinking this thing's heading after a couple days here, and then we'll see what happens from there. Maybe we can get a higher high. We'll have to see obviously what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin today is just absolutely crushing it. 9.62% on a day. This is Bitcoin on the 4-hour. On the daily chart, it's flipped that former support back into support. So it's doing beautiful today. I mean, it is just flying. The thing that worries me is that RSI is shooting up pretty fast too. The relative strength index. So I'll keep an eye on this and get back with you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a great day.